But today I'm going quail hunting. It's freezing cold out here and we're running 3 dogs. We're going to try to shoot some quail. And we're putting them out there. They're so camouflaged. He might not be able to fly.
Why not? We'll find out. You go right in behind him. Go right straight to the bird. Whoa.
Right
Yep.
there.
Good boy, turkey.
Yeah, he can't fly. Or
Okay, let's see. Let me try a little trick here. Get him. Hey, good shot.
there we go.
Catch him, Kirk!
Oh, he's still moving.
Yeah, he's on. You got him. Fetch him, fetch him, fetch him, fetch him. Good girl, dog, good dog.
Good boy,
Kirk,
Kirk.
here. Kirk, fetch. Good boy. Come here. Come here. Well,
Good boy, Kirk.
well, good job. Yeah. I'm going to try to get it that way. Whoop! Whoop! Get him!
Dang.
No! Good girl. Good girl.
That bird got destroyed.
Oh. Come on, Josie. Where's the bird? Here. Here. You're upwind. Okay, there it is.
See it?
Just be careful. And watch Josie mainly.
Yeah.
And whoop. A lot of times they come in. Oh, take it. Oh, no, that's good. Oh,
Oh,
watch him down. You watch. Can you still see the bird?
yeah.
Yep. Josie, here. Okay,
He's way out there.
let's go get it. I think I took my eyes off right as it went down, but I think I've got a clue.
She was right on it. So that was good.
Yeah, I thought she got a whiff. She might have been.
Can I let him go?
Let me let these out first. Back is going to outrun inside.
Wait. Yeah.
Come on, come on. Okay, there you go.
A bird, John.
Okay. Shoot your bird. Find him. Oh, there he is. Yeah, he's headed your way. I'm going to try to kick him up. Good dog, Max. Yeah, take it. Max, good dog. Good dog. Hey, Mac. Good dog.